time, Central Manchester, lock. Second term for Rhoda, third term for Andrew. Let me tell you, when you talk about equity, when you talk about development for the country, this is the party that you need. And Jamaica, you need to choose Jamaica.
Rhoda Crawford, this MP, she has worked so hard in central Manchester. And I do believe her late mom in her grave must be smiling at what is happening to her now. All the good. Thank you.
Labour right. We take everything. Big up Mama Rhoda. Pancho, you're gone but not forgotten. Big up Pancho. Shower Labour right.
Oh, big up Rhoda Crawford. One MP, no other one.
For Rhoda, she's a hardworking MP. She fixed the road. She's part of the people. Bring the issues of the people to Parliament. We have to choose somebody who will work and continue to work. Third time for Rhoda.
Third time for Andrew. Second time for Rhoda.
Whole Jamaica no Rhoda. Fix Rhoda, you win your Rhoda.
Big up Labour right.
Big up Rhoda Crawford. I know your next member same way. They can't take it out. Re-elect Rhoda Crawford. Sure, Central we say.
Choose Jamaica.